Yes, people, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, we are starting a brand new chapter under the partnership series, which is Goodwill chapter. What chapter? Goodwill chapter. Mark this chapter very, very important for both 12th CBC students as well as CA Foundation students. And let me tell you one more important point. This topic has got a significant connection in the CA intermediate as well. This is a base for so many accountancy subject at so many professional levels. Got it? Not got it? Well, now, 12 CBC people, you might get this question. I mean, you might get a question from this chapter on a standalone basis for 2-3 marks. Or most of the time, they will combine this concept with a big question and they will ask. For example, the next chapter that we're going to do, change in profit sharing ratio among existing partner, thereafter admission, retirement, death. In that, we'll have big comprehensive questions. In that, this component will get added and based on that, the question will be developed. Got it, not got it. So this will play a very, very, very important role in the entire partnership series. Am I loud and clear? Yes. Fantastic. In this, what are we going to study? In this chapter, what are we going to study? So first of all, we are going to study the meaning of goodwill. I'm sure all of you would have heard something about the meaning of goodwill from your school teachers. But of course, I'm going to give something more, to what you've learned already. Something which is new, but yet important. A new perspective I will develop towards the meaning of goodwill. I promise. Then we'll try to understand what is the characteristics and the features of goodwill, followed by what is the nature of goodwill. Why are we calculating goodwill? Why are we calculating goodwill? What are the various factors that will be affecting the value of goodwill? What are the types of goodwill? The two types of goodwill, purchase goodwill, self-generated goodwill. What are these both? In this, one is recorded, other one is not recorded. So which is not recorded? That also I'll discuss. And this comes the main hero of this chapter. Oh my God. The methods for valuation of goodwill. There are different formulas given to calculate the value of the goodwill. So this is the hero of this entire chapter. This is the core key content of the chapter. Got it? Not got it? Got it? Got it? Oh. Chalo, let's begin. So my first question to all of you. What according to you is goodwill? What according to you is goodwill? It's an intangible asset. Wonderful. I'll make a note. It is an intangible asset. Agreed. Point taken. It's a non-current asset. So all the intangible assets are non-current. So it is a non-current asset. It is a good reputation. Very good. It's a good reputation. Goodwill means what? Good reputation. Goodwill, good reputation. Good reputation. Goodwill can be royalty. Okay, I'll make a note. But that's not the right word. Royalty is wrong, but still I'll make a note of what you said. Any other synonym for good reputation? Very good. Brand image. Brand image. Goodwill is nothing but good reputation or brand image. Anything else? Royalty is wrong. Anything else that you can think about goodwill? It is going to bring benefit for the business. 1 second, people. It is going to bring benefit for the business. Okay. So goodwill is going to get some benefit in the business. Goodwill brings benefit to business. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? That's all. Non-profit? What non-profit? It's not a profit. You said actually ulta. Wait. I'll come. Sir. Okay, now I'll tell. Goodwill is PV, present value of future profit being sacrificed. என்ன சார் டேஞ்சரஸா இருக்குது பார்த்தாவே. present value சொல்றீங்க, future profit you're talking about, sacrifice and all you're talking about. Sacrifice naale we'll run away. We don't like to sacrifice anything. You're talking about sacrifice and all. Oh my god. So what is goodwill? Goodwill is present value of future profit which is being sacrificed. By whom? Who's sacrificing the profit? By owner. Owner in partnership business is also called as partner. Oh my god. You've not come across this term anywhere when you did the goodwill chapter in the school? Not at all. The entire chapter is about this only, no? The entire chapter is about this only. And this itself you have not heard. And what did I tell you? I'm going to give you a meaning of goodwill, which is a true meaning of goodwill from the accounting point of view, which nobody else would have given. I said or not? Tell me. Goodwill is present value of the expected future profit. Sir, present value is there, sir. Future profit also is there, sir. Sacrifice is not there, sir. Whatever I wrote on board, everything I will justify. You have to give me some time. Got it, not got it. The entire chapter is revolving around this point only. If I have to tell you, whenever in business, any owner or partner sacrifices his profit, Tom, what will come into picture? Goodwill will pop up. Goodwill will come into picture. Got it, not got it. Any business, you go anywhere. Whenever we talk about somebody sacrificing profit apnina, there what concept will pop up? Loudly tell me. Goodwill concept should pop up. So goodwill will come into picture whenever we talk about sacrification of profit. Sacrifice of profit means what should come into picture? Goodwill should come into picture. When you pray God, who should come? Goodwill, God should come. How goodwill will come? When you pray God, God only will come. No. So whenever you talk about sacrification of profit, who will come? Goodwill will come. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Okay. So now can you please elaborate this point? I will elaborate, but through an example. This example, my dear friends, what I'm going to discuss with all of you, in your entire journey of 12th, wherever I come with goodwill topic, in the entire journey of CA Foundation, wherever I come with goodwill topic, in the entire CA Intermediate, wherever I come with goodwill topic, I will come back and connect again and again to this example. So this example, what I'm going to narrate, this story, what I'm going to narrate, you have to remember this for at least next 3 years if you are pursuing CA. Sir, we're not going to do CA. After 12th, Tata bye-bye to accounts. Just 1 year you remember, after that you forget. Okay, not okay. Tell me. Clear, no? Response. Open your mouth and respond. Okay. Now, you can see a lot of data I've put on the board. Don't see all that. Just listen to my story. I'm telling you that before starting academy, I had a desire to start my own restaurant business. What business? Restaurant business. Multi-cuisine restaurant business. I can have a dream, no? I can have a desire, no? Can I have or not? Can I have or not? Yes. I actually had. But to pursue this business, it's not easy. Frida, to pursue such kind of business, it's not easy. We need to have a strong team, chef, this, that, huge investment, etc., etc. I said, okay, whenever in life we get chance in future, that time we'll see. But name and all decided. You know what name I kept? The restaurant business which I intend to start in future, the name which I've decided is called as Tasty Bites. What is it called as? Tasty Bites. Every bite what you have should be tasty. It's called as Tasty Bites. So this restaurant business which I intend to start, imagine I've already started in 21-22. What did I say? Imagine I've already started this business in 21-22. And the brand name of this business is what? The brand name of the business what I kept is Tasty Bites. Nobody's getting tempted, no? Nobody, no? Not yet. Now you'll get tempted. Now, running a restaurant business is not a joke. One person to run this business is not easy. I want partners. So I'm telling, all of you, I'm asking all of you, how many of you are interested to be a partner in my restaurant business? 1, 2, that's all. 3, it's a good industry, man. 4, 5, 6. கை தூக்குன காசை பணமா என்ன கேபிட்டலா கேட்க போறேன், தூக்க வேண்டியதானே? As if people slowly they're raising hands, as if they raise hand I'll ask capital now itself. So most of you are interested to be my partners. Wonderful. In a partnership business, how many partners we can have maximum? Only 50. If more than 50 aptina, we have to reject some people. But all of you look within 50. So let's say 40 people are there aptina. Let's all 40 people join together to start this restaurant business. Any objection? No objection. But this tasty bite is my business? No, it is our business. Okay, not okay. That feeling is coming or not coming? Not coming? Coming little by little? Very good. Guys, this business we started, imagine in 21, 22. Imagine when you were Amul baby, that time we started. Got it, not got it. We started this business. Tell me one thing. When you start a business, is it halwa to start a business? Is it easy? Halwa here means not literally halwa. Halwa means what? Is it really easy to start a business? No. There's a lot of initial challenges. Got it, not got it. I will talk about this initial challenges. But before that, I want to give some data. In the year 21, 22, this business, what we have run, has given us a profit of 50,000 rupees. In 21, 22, what is the profit, people? 50,000 rupees. In 22, 23, the profit is 1,25,000. Is the business performance improving or not improving? Improving. In 23, 24, the profit is 1,75,000. Now, is it still better or still bad? It is getting better compared to the previous year. 24, 25, 2 lakh. 25, 26, 2,50,000 rupees. Any objection here? It's a growing business. Okay. The graph is upward. The profit ka graph is upward. Can you imagine a graph in your mind? Yes or no? Yes. Below that, I've given a data. When you start the business, you don't have any existing customer. So all the customer which is coming in the year 1 will be your new customer. So in the year 1, it is new customer. Any objection? How many customers we got in total throughout the year? 1,000 customer. So this 1,000 new customer in the next year becomes old customer. Correct? No. I'm assuming that all the customers are getting repeated every year. That is the assumption. Purida. We have in Coimbatore Annapurna. So can I say there are so many customers which will repeat every year? Yes or no? So I am talking about repetitive customers. In this business, apart from repetitive customers, there could be one-timer, two-timer customer also. I'm ignoring all of them. I'm talking about which customer? Those who repeatedly come to the business over and again. Got it? Not got it? So this customer will become old customer next year. He will come. Since I'm working hard in that business, my customer base is increased by another 500. In the second year, what is my customer base? 1,500. Why profit is going upwards? The more and more customer if I have, naturally, the profit will go up or not? Tell me. Like that, if I come to the end of 25, 26, how many total customers I have? 5,000 customers. 5,000 customers are repeated customers. Okay, not okay. Now the question is, how did we set this business? What are the challenges that we came across in setting up the business? To get this profit and to get this customer, what and all did we do it properly, or what and all we didn't do it properly? So what are the key factors affecting the profitability of the business? What are all the key factors affecting the profitability of the business? First factor affecting the profitability of the business is location. My question to all of you, how many of you think location is very important when it comes to business? All of you agree? I'll give a simple example. My example is CA.Prathik Academy. This academy is presently located in Araspuram, center of the city. I can say kind of. Why? Because from here, if you go 2 kilometers, this side we have Ramnagar. 2 kilometers towards that side it is Sai Baba Colony. 2 kilometers this side Vadavalli Pudur. Here this 2 kilometers you get Raja Street, Sukrarpet, Open Kara Street. Sutti pathina, how many schools we have? How many people are residing? So this is a very apt location for my academy. Yes or no? Imagine I opened this CA.Prathik Academy branch or FFLA branch somewhere in okay, let's see, saying Kovai Pudur. In Kovai Pudur, if I open up Dina, will I get this many students? Will you come till there? 10, 15 kilometers, will you come? Tell me. Touch your heart and tell me. or somewhere in the interior of Saranampati, somewhere in the interior, not also main road, interior, somewhere inside, will people come? When you come inside, no. For 2-3 streets, there is no light only. How will you cycle and come? People will not come. So in many business, location does matter. Yes or no? I'll take classic example of Annapurna. Annapurna has got multiple branches. The first branch is located here, RSpuram. It's not first branch, but still, for my example, I'm taking this as first branch. RSpuram, Annapurna. சுத்தி இருக்க 5 கிலோமீட்டர் ரேடியஸ்ல யாருக்கும் அன்னபூர்ணா காஃபி சாப்பிடணும்னா they'll come to RSpuram. Yes or no? Yes or no? Best location he has found out. Best location. Yes or no? Okay. Next best location, what I like for Annapurna, you know? Airport, who said? Yes, airport, KMCH. More than airport, I would like to use the word KMCH hospital. Exactly opposite to KMCH hospital, Annapurna is there. Anandas is there. But exactly opposite, Annapurna is there. All the patients coming to KMCH will want to eat dosa and Annapurna. Exactly opposite. I ate, boss. That's why I'm telling you. கண்ணு பார்வை இல்லை. அப்படியே நீ ரோடு கிராஸ் பண்ணா அன்னபூர்ணா தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும். பக்கத்துல ஆனந்தாஸ் இருக்கு, பக்கத்துல தான் இருக்கு. நேர் ஆப்போசிட்ல யார் இருக்கா? அன்னபூர்ணா தான் இருக்கான். Got it, not got it. Third best location I will for Annapurna. Third best location, People's Park. You know what is the beauty of People's Park? Adjacent building KG Hospital, opposite building court. So the one is struggling in life in KG Hospital has to come in Annapurna. One struggling with court cases also has to come to Annapurna. Best location. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now imagine tomorrow if Annapurna wants to sell all the outlets. And let's say we partners want to buy Annapurna appadina, how much premium rate he will sell for? How much premium rate? The first thing what he'll on the table, first thing what he will say, no, the location, what I've opened the branches, no, number one location. For this location, people will pay premium also. So the entire valuation of Annapurna is how much crores, you know? 40,000 crores. What is the valuation? 40,000 crore. In that location, or the premium value, 10,000 crores. So actual worth of the business, how much? 30,000 crore. 10,000 crore extra added because of the location factor. Yes or no? You see, most of the Annapurna outlets is not in the side road. It's not in the cut road. Everything is on the main road. You take Ganapati branch, main road. You take on the Metupalayam road. Once you go near that, what is that area? Once you go to Tudilur side, that is also main road. Premium rate they will fetch. Premium rate. So location, can I say, is a key factor in contributing to your revenue. Or business or revenue when the increase panna appadina, one business's profit has to increase means location will play a very, very important role. Yes or no? Okay. To get such a location, is it easy? No. If Annapurna is having all the outlets, owned outlets appadina, he has to buy the land. He has to construct the building. To buy the land on the main road, premium rate. Yes or no? It's not easy to get a land just like that. Same way, imagine we came here. Now let's talk about Tasty Bites. Tasty Bites people, we have to shortlist the location. How much confusions we'll have? We all are budget people. Budget people means what? We don't have that much money like Annapurna. So for us to select a good location, at the same time, the rental should be feasible. We are starting this business on the rental premises. Apana, we are economical people. So we want a good location, at the same time, a good venue where the rental is economical. Yes or no? நீ தேட ஆரம்பிச்சினா ஒரே நாள்ல கிடைச்சிருமா? You start searching for the premises. One day you will get the location. No. You have to search for so many days. Every day you will see 3-4 location and come. You'll go meet the party and come. You'll talk this, that. Things will not finalize. Just to finalize the location in place, people spend 1 month, 2 months. Yes or no? So I'm just trying to put a fact in your mind that selecting a location is a painful job. Yes or no? In bracket, I'm writing painful. This painful I'll relate in the future. In the context of Goodwill, what is the significance of the word painful? Painful I've related. Okay, wow. Once the location is finalized, you'll start just like that. No. You have to sit with your architect, interior designer and completely work out of the theme of the restaurant. Prida, so much of headache you have to take. To start a restaurant with the good interiors, so much of headache. Again, a painful process. Finally, we have set one nice restaurant in a 5,000 square feet premises. 5,000 square feet premises. Good location, good interiors, balle balle, set. If you just have a good location, good interior, definitely customer will come for the first time. But if the product is not good, will they come for second time? No. So the second key factor, which is essential for a business to grow or a profit to grow, is what? Good product. The product what you're offering should be good. Imagine we are starting this restaurant business, idli dosa. No, we are doing multi-cuisine. No, forget idli dosa. What are we starting with? Sandwich. What else? Pasta, sushi. Oh, sushi. Where are it? Dumplings. Where are it? Tell me. There's something called no oglio olio or something they tell people. What is that? Have you not heard it? அவன் சொல்றான் பாரு ஆலே ஓலியோன்றான் வாயிலே லொல்லொல்லொன்னு வருது எனக்கு நத்திங் பட் இட் இஸ் நூடுல்ஸ் ஆமா so like that we have lot of products. My simple question to all of you, the chef what you hire on the first day, will he bake everything 100% perfect? Not necessary. He might do it, he might not do it. Maybe the chef what you've hired, eventually after 1 week you realize that this person is not a good character person. Dirty fellow is. You threw him out and you got a new chef. In the restaurant business, who's the key player? Chef is the key player. The main chef is the key player. The main chef is not good, your entire business will get ruined. So for me, to set a good product, I need to have a good chef in place. To get a good chef in one go is not easy. You talk about so many successful people. After how many rounds of what you called putting chef, அதாவது recruiting chef, finally ஒருத்த நல்லவனா அமைவான். You take any good restaurant business, first chef will not be a good chef. Second, third, fourth, they'll keep on changing. Finally, after 5-7 rounds, new chef will come. He will take care of the restaurant business properly. Quality is proper. Maintenance of that quality is proper. But from first chef to seventh chef, so many chef you change, no? How much harassment? Customer is on the table asking for order. Chef is not there. Side chef who will be helper chef. The helper chef is making the main product. Quality is not good. Customer will scold you and go, what nonsense you have given? How much harassment was, how much pain? I'm just trying to focus that how much painful it is. Yes or no? So again, the product that you are launching, for it to be good, you have to go through a painful process. ஒரே ஷாட்ல ஒரே நாள்ல உனக்கு நல்ல ப்ராடக்ட் வராது. You have to do a lot of repetitive efforts. You have to put in lot of repetitive efforts to ensure that a good product is launched and it is maintained, the quality is maintained. Yes or no? So this is also painful process. Next, if product is alone good, will people come? Now imagine one customer is coming to your restaurant, our restaurant is coming to our restaurant. Food is served, but it is not hot. Slightly chilled it is. Slightly. Not too much chilled also, slightly chilled. But you know customer, no, if it is little bit also chilled up, Nina, hey, what have you given? Customers will scold. They will not talk softly. Customers will talk little bit in aggressive manner only. Now, as a person who is serving that, what you call dish, when he is taking that abuse, how is he supposed to react? Very softly, gently. I'm so sorry, sir. I will get it heated one more time, or I'll get it changed. Like that, he should say. On the contrary, the person, the staff who is serving the dish, he says, இதுதான் இங்க கிடைக்கும், சாப்பிடணும்னா சாப்பிடு, இல்ல கிளம்பு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அந்த ஆள் திருப்பி அடுத்த வாட்டி வருவானா? வரமாட்டான். So in the service industry, having a good service is very, very important. If you don't have proper services, the repetitive customer base will not be built. Okay, not okay. Now, do you think that all the staff who will initially come to your company for job, they will be able to handle all this very softly and very properly? No. You have to do a lot of training to them. You will select initially few people. They will not be good. Again, you have to remove them. Again, get new set of people. To have a good service team, it is a painful process. நீங்க ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணுவீங்க, அது சரியில்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு திருப்பி ரிமூவ் பண்ணோம், திருப்பி ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணோம். This process will go on for several months. Then finally one team will set. அப்போனா to set good service tone of the business, it is not easy activity. It is a painful activity. Got it? Not got it? இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி what is important? A good management. The management, the owner of the business, if they are not in sync, if they are not giving the adequate support to the staff, the business cannot flourish. If you want to, like when you get the chance in future, if you go to Bangalore, if you get a chance to work in any startup company, most of the startup company today are suffering to get the funding, you know. They are suffering to get the funding from the investor. Startup wants funds from investor. Purida, but they're not getting it. You know why? Because there is one owner who's doing all the job. He's the person who's doing the HR work. He's the person who's doing the accounting work. He's looking after the business operation. Everything he's doing. Or two partners are doing. Do you think an investor will invest in such a business? No. Tomorrow, if something happens to these two people, business gone. Business gets affected. Purida. So in any business, to grow, to be profitable, to create its brand value, it is important that the management should be good. The hierarchy of the management should be established. A good management company with good hierarchy will add a lot of value to the business. Got it, not got it. I'll keep it this very short. All I'm trying to put forth is that in our restaurant business, which is Tasty Bites business, to set this right, customer varvanga. Yes or no? Location should be good. The product what you serve should be good. The services should be good. And the management should be good to support all of this. Only in that case, customers will come. So I'm telling you, to set all of this, it is not easy. It is a painful process. Now the question is, our customer base kept on increasing. No. Why it kept on increasing? Because the location what we selected was very good location. The product what we were presenting to the customers was top-notch product. The services what you gave us, top-notch service. All this resulted into good customer base, incremental customer base, and therefore the profit kept on increasing. Yes or no? This way, we have been running our business for how many years? This way, by doing so much of hard work, we were running this business for how many years? 5 years. So at present, we are in 25, 26. You know what happened? Somebody had an eye on our business. Somebody had an eye on our business. You know who was that? You know who was that? Annapurna. All of you very well know that Annapurna predominantly is into it's not multi-cuisine. They're into South Indian dishes. Yes or now they started. Last 2 years they started, 2-3 years they started something called a scope. Forget that. Imagine Annapurna, even till today, imagine. They're only providing South Indian dishes. Which means what? Top-notch dosa. Like that dosa you will not get anywhere. Coffee, unbeatable. Sambar, unbeatable. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that Annapurna wants to start a multi-cuisine restaurant. Now, Annapurna to start a multi-cuisine restaurant, big headache. Proper location they have to select. Proper product they have to shortlist. In the product to prepare pandri yaar? Chef. Chef should be correct. Please understand, the chef what Annapurna is having, he's specialized in South Indian dishes. Now we're talking about Annapurna wanting to open a multi-cuisine restaurant. Adoda chef on the different arpang. So that chef to set is not an easy job. Annapurna, if they want to set up a new multi-cuisine restaurant, it will be very painful process. Now Annapurna has two choices. Either go through the painful process and set up a new brand. Or else buy the ongoing brand. Nalla brand paatha, the brand velekku vaangidunga. Possible, not possible. If you want to relate, I can give a relatable example. All of you have heard this company called as Byju's. Right? It is on the verge of closing. Correct? Have you heard this company name Akash? Byju's and Akash. CA.Prathik, all of you. All of you, please respond. Online people, video. Byju's and Akash, have you all heard it? Yes or no? My question to all of you, what is Akash specialized into? They are into coaching for NEET and JEE. Yes or no? NEET examination preparation, JEE exam preparation ke liye, that was the coaching. Very good they were doing. Even now they're doing good. Correct, no? So here, instead of Tasty Bites, imagine it is Akash. Akash established its business all over India. Multiple locations. Good customer base. Good teacher team. Ellame correct pannanga. Location. Not one location, two location. Multiple location. Not just one product. NEET, JEE, multiple products. Services given by multiple teachers. Good teacher team. Good staff team. Good management. Everything perfect. Huge profits they were making. How much profits? Huge profits. Now, Byju's, all of you know, was a competitor of Akash. Yes or no? Any education institute, almost in the same line or competitor to each other. So Byju's had two options. Either he can purchase Akash as it is. He can become the owner of Akash. Or Byju's had to set up the entire coaching center afresh for JEE and NEET. Now, if Byju's is coming out with a new coaching center for NEET and JEE, it has to do a lot of hard work, lot of painful hard work. Nariya location open pannom, staff train pannom, teachers train pannom. Other peoples have to be trained. You have to advertise and bring all the customers. You have to do counseling to the customers, students, parents. It's not an easy process. It's a painful process. So Byju said, let's not go through all that painful process. We have paisa. We have money coming from, lot of money coming from investor. Why to set up a new business? Why not buy Akash directly? So Byju's acquired Akash. Byju's acquired Akash. Same concept I'm telling here. Annapurna wanted to start what? Annapurna wanted to start a multi-cuisine restaurant. To set up the multi-cuisine restaurant was a painful process. And Annapurna did not want to go through the painful process. So what did it do? It had an intention to buy Tasty Bites. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? What is wrong in this, boss? It's a business. Everything is fair in love and war. This is also fair in a business. What is wrong? What is wrong in it? Okay. Annapurna wants to buy Tasty Bites business. Who are we? We are owners of Tasty Bites. I'm asking all of you. Who are you? My partners. Are you okay if we sell this business to Annapurna? First you will say no. Now I'm telling you, Annapurna is willing to pay how much ever money we want. Now I'm asking the same question. Are you willing to sell? Still no? Okay. Annapurna is willing to pay 100 crores. Annapurna is willing to pay 100 crores to buy our business. Still no? 250 crores. 250 crores. We are how many partners? 50 partners. 250 crores divided by 50 partners. How much it is? 250 crores divided by 50 partners. How much it is? Divide solna. 5 crore. Boss, Annapurna is giving 250 crore. We are how many partners? 50 partners. All are over partner. 5 crores. Not sufficient. Easily not sufficient. Okay. 1,000 crore Annapurna is going to give you. Now sell. Tell. If a wife pollendichilla, solite. Got it, not got it. Now, why would any successful company sell their business? Why would any successful company sell their business? Because the offer which has been given by the opposite company, that could not be resisted. Akash, why did it sell its company to Byju's? Because the owners of Akash got whooping crores and crores of money. Yes or no? Tell me. So if Annapurna is giving you 1,000 crore rupees, will you still say no? If any partner says no, I'll kick out that partner from the partnership firm. 1,000 crore. Which idiot will say no? Got it, not got it? Tell me. Yes or no? Okay. And the scene Annapurna is not going to give 1,000 crore. So let's come back to reality. I'm just trying to put a concept in your mind that if the buying company is offering a very good price, selling company indeed will definitely try to sell the business. It's a good opportunity and you should do it. So tomorrow when you say you become a CA or MBA, you start up your own business, 5, 10, 15 years down the line, the business is going well up. Now, if the right opportunity comes, if the right price comes, there's nothing wrong in selling your business. Unless and until you're very passionate that this is my baby, I will not give my baby and kid to anybody else up. You keep it with you. No problem. If you're emotionally attached to business, means keep it with you. Otherwise, if you're not emotionally attached to your business, there's nothing wrong in selling the business to somebody. Yes or no? Now, my question to all of you, let's talk very practically. Annapurna says that, look, boss, I want to buy your business. How much money you want? Annapurna asking us, how much money you want? Purida. Before that, let me give you some data. Annapurna is giving you this offer in which financial year? 26, 27. Today, what date? 22nd May 2026. 22nd May 2026. Today, Annapurna is asking, if you want sorry, if I want to buy your business, how much paisa you want so that you can sell the business to me? உன் business வாங்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன், உன் business என்னை விற்கிறதுக்கு உனக்கு எவ்வளவு காசு வேணும்னு கேட்கறான். How much money you want is asking. On 22nd May 26, how much money he wants is asking us. I'm going to give you one data. On 31st March 26, I'm giving you one balance sheet data. If I take the balance sheet of 31st March 26, the capital that all the partners has contributed is 15 lakh. How much capital? 15 lakhs. Forget it. Let me make it more complicated. 40 lakh is the total capital contributed by all the partners put together. Okay, not okay. Okay. We have taken loan from bank or here and there, or credit purchases we have done. So we have external liability of 10 lakh. So what is my total, please? 50 lakh. So here my total asset is 50 lakh. Total asset is 50 lakh. Got it? Not got it? So today, if Tasty Bite is selling the business apnina, 50 lakh worth of asset they'll sell for 50 lakh. They'll get 50 lakh money in hand. In that 10 lakh they'll pay to the external liability holders. And how much money they'll take back home? 40 lakh they will take back home. Yes or no? In the Nodila vande, if Tasty Bite is selling the business apnina, they will sell all the assets. All the assets will fetch you how much? 50 lakhs. In reality, it can fetch more also. But I'm talking about a situation where exact 50 lakh is coming. Okay, wow. In that, what will you do? You'll take all 50 lakh at home? No. In that, you have to pay 10 lakh to whom? External liability holders. You have to settle the payment to creditors, bankers, etc. So how much money is left for the owner? 40 lakh is left for the owner. Okay, wow. Now, I've given this data to you. Keep this data in mind and tell me how much money you want from Annapurna to sell the business. How much money you want? Talk practically. Don't talk nonsense. என்ன பணம் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, as a owner, I'm ready to sell my business. You tell me the amount. Tell me the amount. How much?
10 CR.
Oh, I said realistic அப்படின்னா அவன் 10 CR. ஏன் கோடி இல்லாம வந்து அடுங்காதோ? Only crore you want? Anything less than crore, boss? How much? 105 crores. Annapurna will say, get lost. உன் கம்பெனி நீ ஏன் வச்சுக்கோன்றான் அவன். நெகோஷியேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்ப வா, ரியாலிட்டிக்கு வா. நெகோஷியேட் பண்ணியாச்சு. How much? Annapurna will not come. ஏப்பா, வருஷத்துக்கு 2 லட்சம் ப்ராஃபிட் சம்பாதிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. How much is the profit? 2.5 lakh rupees is profit. You want 5 crore, 3 crore, 100 crore. அந்த லொகேஷன் அவ்வளவு கூட அப்படின்னா, அப்ப நீ வந்து 2 லட்சம் சம்பாதிப்பியா? அதுக்கு மேல சம்பாதிப்பியா? Don't talk nonsense. வருஷத்துக்கு what is the profit? What is the current year profit? 2.5 lakh rupees is current year profit. If Annapurna is going to take your business அப்படின்னா, Annapurna will make how much profit? 2.5 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. You're asking 100 times profit, 3 crore. அவன் 100 வருஷம் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும் அந்த 3 கோடி கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு. லாஜிக்கா பேசணும். 99 lakhs. Okay, 1 second. 99 lakh, சரி, ரைட், ஓகே. ஒன் ஆப்ஷன் 99 lakh. சார் crore வேண்டாம், 1 lakh மைனஸ் பண்ணுங்க. 99 lakh. ஓகே ஓகே. Annapurna wants to buy the business. He is not willing to be a partner with you. He is like, and the entire brand and kudunga. Please understand, if Annapurna is taking over the business, no, he will run the business under what banner? You know, Tasty Bites only. Tasty Bites da, purida. So after I sell the business, Tasty Bite brand, our brand will become Annapurna brand. Our chef will become Annapurna chef. Our staff will become Annapurna staff. Our customer will become Annapurna customer. Everything same to same. But what has changed? Owner alone changed. On the document, who's changed? Owner alone changed. Purida. This is what we're talking about. I'm asking, how much minimum money you want? How much minimum money you want to sell this business? Minimum 90 lakhs. Why? How did you derive 90 lakhs? You have to be practical, boss. Minimum. இவ்வளவு இருந்தாதான் நான் விப்பேன். Minimum 40 lakhs. Why 40 lakhs? Very good. Beautiful. She says that, sir, in my business, the money that belongs to me is 40 lakh rupees. In the business நான் விக்கணும் அப்படின்னா குறைஞ்ச பிச்சு நான் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண மினிமம் எனக்கு வேணும். Yes or no? You talk sense, not nonsense. If Tasty Bites is selling business to Annapurna. I am asking, what is the minimum money, minimum paisa that Tasty Bites wants? நான் போட்ட பணம் எனக்கு மினிமம் வேணும், because that is my investment in the business. Got it? Not got it? Simple. I am a manufacturer of this pen. I am a manufacturer of this pen. I'll manufacture this pen and sell it. To sell this pen, what should be my minimum selling price? Minimum selling price எவ்வளவு இருக்கணும்? The cost which I incurred to manufacture the pen should be minimum selling price. புரியுதா? Got it? Not got it? So what is the formula for selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Got it? Not got it? To manufacture this pen, minimum I took 12 rupees is my cost. So this should be minimum selling price. நீ profit வைக்க வேண்டாம், ஆனா நீ போட்ட பணம் அதாவது எடுக்கணும்ல. You don't charge profit to this, but the money what I spent from my pocket, 12 rupees for manufacturing this pen, that much at least I'll take from customers. No? Yes or no? Am I an idiot that I'll put 12 rupees from my pocket and get from the customer 10 rupees? No. Bare minimum, what is my selling price? Cost price equal to cost price. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? In the same example, balance sheet, capital represents my money that I've invested in the business. So 40 lakh is the minimum money I will charge. Yes or no? Now let's talk about business. ஒரு businessman வந்து ஒரு பொருள் வந்து காஸ்ட்ல விற்பானா? Will a businessman sell its product at cost? Guys, wherever I'm using the Tamil language, don't worry. I'm repeating the same point in English also. Tamil gives me comfort. To me also and to few people also. Or feeling. So I can't resist, without talking in Tamil. So I'll use the word Tamil language, but again I'll repeat in English also. Okay, not okay? Clear or not clear? Okay. Will any idiotic businessman want to sell the product at cost price, or he will want to add margin? He will definitely add margin and sell at profit. Yes or no? Whether I'm selling pen, whether I'm selling mobile phone, whether I'm selling laptop, whether I'm selling classes, whether I'm selling business, with cost, I need profit. With cost, I need profit. So here, Tasty Bite will minimum demand 40 lakh rupees. Minimum demand 40 lakh rupees. Purida. This is called as cost price of the business. What is called as cost price of the business? Will you sell this at cost? No. You'll ask profit also. Now the question is, if I sell product அப்படினா, profit makes sense. For selling business, who will charge profit? Like that, Annapurna is asking. Enapa? I'm selling idli. For selling idli, I take profit, understandable. For selling business, which idiot will charge profit? We should say this idiot charges profit. And why I should not charge profit? Touch your heart and tell me, to get this 5,000 customers, how much painful activities were taken care of? In the location finalize பண்றதுக்குள்ள, to finalize this location, to finalize the good product, to maintain good services, to have a good management, this 5 years, how much hard work we have done, how much pain we have undergone. Tell me yes or no? பொத்தி வளர்த்திருக்கீங்க இந்த business. புரியுதா? You've taken care of this business from the basic minimum level to this top level. All 7 days, all of us, all 7 days we have worked. All 7 days. No holiday with family. Cousin, wedding gone. Friend, wedding gone. Nothing we attended. Business. Such a kind of care you have taken. And that care is resulted into a customer base of 5,000. 5,000 loyal, repetitive customer. To create this customer base, we have given both blood and sweat. Yes or no? Such a kind of business which this has grown to, and Annapurna wants this business at only 40 lakhs. Are we idiot to sell this business at 40 lakhs? Tell me. If Annapurna is taking this business from us, can I say the same 5,000 customer will repeat to Annapurna or not? Yes or no? In 26-27, same 5,000 customer will come or not? Tell me. See this data. The new customer has become the old customer of next year. The new customer of this becomes the old customer of next year. This customer has become the old customer of next year. Apana, this 5,000 customer will become the customer of next year. Yes or no? Tell me one thing. Let's talk about Annapurna. How many of you here go to Annapurna for having idli, dosa, coffee? All of you go, correct, no? How many of you, when you climb the staircase, you see who's the owner of Annapurna? Oh, if he's the owner, then I'll drink coffee. Oh, if not the owner, I'll leave the coffee and go. Will you say like that? Do you see the owner and go there? No. What do you see there? Product. You see the product and decide whether should I go to Annapurna or not. Yes or no? Now, these 5,000 customers, are they attached to the owner? இந்த 5,000 கஸ்டமர் இருந்து என்னைய பார்த்து வராங்களா? உன்னைய பார்த்து வரானா? இல்ல, உன் ப்ராடக்ட் பார்த்து வரான். These 5,000 customers are not coming seeing me or you. They're coming to see the product. The product is good, hence they're coming in. So tomorrow in 26-27, when Annapurna is going to take over the business, same old 5,000 customers will come to them. Yes or no? These 5,000 customers will give me how much profit? 2.5 lakh rupees profit. That profit belongs to whom? Annapurna. That belongs to Annapurna. You have seen this. You have sown the seed here. Seed and the weather. You have sown the seed. You have taken care of that seed. You have planted. You have taken care of the plant. Tree is grown. Now when it is time to reap the fruit, who is coming and eating your fruit? Annapurna is coming and eating your fruit. Boss, you put the seed here. It has become plant here. Tree here. Tree just started bearing the fruit. Now when the tree is in good condition, somebody is coming and telling, give me that tree. We will give. We will not say no. We will give. But we need the worth of that tree. And the tree oda worth, na pota olaipu. This tree which is going to give the future benefit, that also I want. So we are telling that from this 5,000 customers, which 5,000 customers? The old 5,000 customers, which is created by Tasty Bites owner, that 5,000 customers ka profit I want. Mark my word. What I'm asking? I'm telling, whatever profit you make from this 5,000 customer, this profit will go to whom in future? If Annapurna is taking over this business, means this profit will go to whom? Annapurna. But actually this profit belongs to whom? Tasty Bite. But actually it will go to whom? Annapurna. When it goes to Annapurna, Tasty Bite is going to sacrifice the profit. Butroma. Will we leave it? What will he say? This 5,000 customer is result of my hard work. This 5,000 customer is result of my hard work. So whatever profits you get from the old customer, whatever profits you get from old customer, this you have to give me. Whatever profit I'm going to sacrifice because of sale of business. Once business is transferred, once Tasty Bite is selling the business to Annapurna, that profit belongs to whom? Annapurna. Apana, we have sacrificed the future profit. This future profit we are going to sacrifice. That we want it in form of goodwill. We want that in form of goodwill. So here, this profit is nothing but future profit. This future profit, which we are going to sacrifice, which the owners of Tasty Bites are going to sacrifice, is called as goodwill. So what is goodwill? Today's value of future profit that you are going to sacrifice. So 40 lakh is the money that I've invested in the business. 40 lakh is the money that I've invested in business. Along with that, I need that profit, which is my profit, but will go to you because I'm going to sacrifice it. The profit which I'm going to sacrifice, I want that profit now because that profit belongs to me. The tree that I have grown here, the fruit of that which is coming to me, please understand, 25-26, I put one mango tree ka seed. I've taken care of the plant tree very well. Now the tree is going to bear the first time fruit. To bear that first time fruit, who did the hard work? To get that first time fruit, who did the hard work? We did the hard work. Now that first time fruit is coming where, you know? Here. First time, my tree is going to give me the fruits. But now, in 26-27, the tree I gave to whom? Annapurna. And the tree kya take care panninga? Who took care of the tree? We took care of the tree. Day and night, every single day, we took care of the tree. Now when the time is to reap the fruit, who is reaping the fruit? Annapurna is reaping the fruit. Now we're telling Annapurna, by selling that fruit, whatever profit you get, you give me because that fruit belongs to me. Its profit belongs to me. That is called as goodwill. The question is, why this 5,000 customers, Annapurna got in first day itself? Annapurna portvariki the first year dane. If Annapurna is taking over the business in 26-27, can I say it is the first year of Annapurna? Yes or no? In our first year, how many customers we had? Only 1,000. This fellow in the first year has got 5,000 customers. Who has worked hard for that? Whose customers are they? Whose hard work? Our hard work. Tasty Bites. So that profit belongs to whom? Us. That profit belongs to whom? Us. So that profit, if I ask, what is wrong in it? These 5,000 customers which are coming in the next year, no, is coming because of what? Because of the reputation of this Tasty Bites. You said, no, what is goodwill? Goodwill is nothing but good reputation. Because of this good reputation, what we maintained in the 5 years, this 5,000 customers repeated. In the 5 years, when your brand image create panirke, in this 5 years, you've created one brand image. Looking at that brand image only, the customers are getting repeated. How did the brand image come? How did the good reputation come? By doing the advertisement? No. Not by advertisement. By working hard every single day. You gave the good quality of the product, good services. You worked hard every single day to create this reputation. In the reputation, this good image what you've created, the brand image what you've created, for this we're asking money. What is wrong in it? Our money we're asking, no? Because of our hard work and because of our reputation what we've created, Annapurna from day one is getting 5,000 customers, profit from 5,000 customers. Can they take the full credit of the customer? Can they take full credit of customer? No. Because that customer base who created? We created. Got it, not got it. Sir, in that case, if this 5,000 customer gets repeated every year, let's say for next 20 years, so are you saying that all the 20 years ka profit you want? Nee kekalam. Ana kudukuravana ilikuvana. Tell me. Sir, because of my hard work and reputation, this 5,000 customers will come for 20 years. So all that profit you give me Apnina, then why is Annapurna buying the business? Because Annapurna also wants to enjoy profit. So Annapurna says that I understand your emotion. So now, whatever profit I'm going to make from these 5 customers for 2 years, these 2 years of profit, I will give you in form of goodwill. But after that, whatever profit is coming from these 5,000 customers, I will keep it. Why? Because these 5,000 customers which is coming in third year, no? In the third year, there are 5,000 old customers. Only if I serve them properly in the 2 years, these customers will come. Up in third year, these 5,000 customers are coming now. It is not because of your reputation. 2 years, we also worked hard. So from third year onwards, the profit belongs to me. But for the first 2 years, these 5,000 customers are coming because of your hard work done here. Because of your hard work done here. So in the 2 வருஷத்தோட profit நான் கொடுத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்றான். This profit, what Annapurna is going to give us is called as future profit. What profit? Future profit. Because we are in 26-27. Business is not yet over. The financial is not yet over. Idoda profit and idoda profit. If I'm getting in advance apdina, we call this as future profit. So if I call these two as future profit, do you have any objection? So this profit is called as future profit, and future profit is called as goodwill. What is it called as? Goodwill. Any difficulty here? Any difficulty here? Please tell me, people. If this point is clear, I would like to go to the next point. In this, do you have any doubts? In whatever I've discussed, do you have any doubts? Sir, all you said is okay, sir. But how do we know what is the future profit? How do we know what is the future profit? We will go to astrologer. Yes or no? If I want to know my future, where will I go? To astrologer. To astrologer, what I should give? Horoscope. Horoscope. You have to give horoscope. Yes or no? Like that, we will take horoscope and go to astrologer. Astrologer, tell me next 2 years what money we are going to make. Are you going to go to him? No. You will go to a chartered accountant. To whom will you go to? Chartered accountant. Whether you go to astrologer or chart accountant, 2 things you have to give. One document required to study your horoscope. That is to study your future. One is paisa. Both are required. Yes or no? So, we are going to go to astrologer. But which astrologer? Chartered accountant. To the chartered accountant, you're going and telling, look boss, we are going to sell the business. So we want goodwill. What is goodwill? Future profit. What is goodwill? Future profit. Now we don't know how to calculate future profit. So you tell me, people, if you are a chartered accountant, how will you calculate super profit? Sorry, how will you calculate the future profit? How will you calculate the future profit? Tell me. Say we close our eyes, sir. Future profit is so and so. Like that, are you going to do? Tell me. You're saying something. Okay, he's given an answer. Others. how will I calculate my future profit? Tell me. Proper answer கொடுங்க. யோசிச்சு கொடுங்க. Future is uncertain. Future is uncertain. But we are still calculating the future profit, which is uncertain. So to calculate that, I need a strong base. I need a strong base. How do I calculate? So basically, we're telling past profits. Yes. So when this real challenge came in the real world, long ago, people had a confusion that how the hell are we supposed to calculate the future profits? Nari yostanga. Then one gentleman said, we can't speculate on all like this. The best way to calculate the future profit is what you know? Past profit. Take past profit as a base. From there, you calculate the future profit. Take past profit as a base and calculate the future profit. Apart from this, if you have any other technique, you let me know. One expert said that to calculate future profit, what will we take into consideration? Past profit. Because past profit is a real profit. And the profit, we can try to speculate what could be the future profit. Past profit analyze பண்ணுவோம். We'll try to analyze the past profit. Based on that, we'll try to calculate future profit. So whatever future profit we are going to calculate, will that be an actual real profit? No. It's an estimated profit. It is estimated profit. But estimation also cannot be done just like that, no? The estimation what you're doing should be logical estimation. Should be a reliable estimation. Yes or no? So experts believe that we will take past year's profit as a base to calculate the future profit. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Okay. Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Imagine. Okay, what imagine? Let's calculate. What is the past profit, people? Yes, boss. Not at all. So far, nothing is there. He's asking, is there any other way to calculate the future profits except past profits? All the formulas, I said, in this chapter, we're going to study formulas. All the formula is revolving around past profit only. Average profit method has got two methods. Simple average profit method, weighted average profit method. Then comes super profit method, then capitalization method. எல்லா மெத்தட்ல ப்ராஃபிட் பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? We're calculating the future profit. Of course, we have different mathematical formulas. There are multiple other ways of calculating goodwill, which is there in a syllabus also, but I'll not be discussing them right now. I'll be discussing them when I do in next chapter, which is CPSR, admission, retirement, and death. In that, I'll teach you two more methods to calculate goodwill. Got it? Not got it? It's just a mathematical way of calculating goodwill. That is also based on profit only. But there is a mathematical different way of calculating goodwill. So that time we'll discuss. As of now, in this entire chapter, your future profit is calculated based on the past profit. In this, if you have any doubts, please ask. Now, how to calculate goodwill using past profit, I'll decide later. Now, let me talk about this. Imagine the future profit is 2 lakh rupees. So, let's do the calculation. Okay, let's do the calculation. Now, there are 5 methods to calculate the goodwill. How many methods? 5 methods to calculate goodwill. First is called as average profit method. What is it called as? Average profit method. In this, we have 2 types of formula. One is called as simple average profit method. Simple average profit method. Second is weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method. Any difficulty here? No. Next is super profit method. Super profit method. Any problem here? Super profit method. Ore or method, ore or formula. Enachma? You seeing up? What happened? Is fan about to fall? No risk, no? Okay. Next is annuity method. What is it called as? Annuity method. Then it is called as capitalization method. What is it called as? Capitalization method. What is it called as? Capitalization method. Under capitalization method, we have capitalization of average profit, and then we have capitalization of super profit. Okay, not okay. Now, 12 CBSE people, listen to me. Only 12 CBSE people, listen to me. This is there in your syllabus. This is there in your syllabus. Super profit method is there in syllabus. Capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. This is there in your business. Sorry, in your syllabus. Whereas for 12 CBSE people, this is not there in your syllabus. This is not there in your syllabus. Got it, not got it. I'm talking about 12 CBSE people. So in total, how many formulas you have to study? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 formulas. Whereas the CA foundation people, you have to study all these methods plus annuity method. So annuity method is applicable for CA foundation people. Got it, not got it. So CA foundation people, how many formulas in total for you applicable? 6 formulas. What are those? Simple average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method, annuity method, capitalization of average profit, and then capitalization of super profit. For 12 CBSE people, except annuity method, all the method is applicable for you. Got it, not got it. Fantastic. So before I start, my question to all of you, what is the meaning of goodwill? What is the meaning of goodwill? Sir, is the present value of the future profit being sacrificed by the owner. In our example, who is the owner and the partner of restaurant business? Tasty Bites. In this scenario, what is happening? In this scenario, Tasty Bite is about to sell its business to Annapurna. In that case, whatever profits Tasty Bites were making so far, they have to sacrifice that because they are transferring the business to Annapurna, and now the same profits is going to be earned by whom? Annapurna. So who is sacrificing the profits? Tasty Bites is sacrificing the profits. Tasty Bite is sacrificing which profit? Future profit. Yeah, up to this period, whatever profit is earned, you enjoyed it. After this, you're going to sell the business. From now onwards, who is going to enjoy the profit? Annapurna is going to enjoy the profits. Annapurna is going to enjoy the profits. My question is, Annapurna is going to take over the business from here. So here Annapurna will have the old customers coming from Tasty Bites. Apart from that, Annapurna also will work hard, no? Because of that, they will have the new customer base, no? Yes or no? New customer base. Let's suppose they're having same 500 customers. Now, whatever profits Annapurna is making from this new 500 customer, this profit belongs to whom? This profit belongs to purely Annapurna. So will this be a part of the goodwill calculation? Will this be a part of goodwill calculation? The answer is no. Now here, 1,000 customers are coming. New customer created by Annapurna. This profit who will enjoy? Annapurna. Okay, not okay. Now, because of the reputation created by Tasty Bites, old customers will come to Annapurna next year. Yes or no? How many customers? 5,000 customers. Like this, customers will come to Annapurna using the reputation created by Tasty Bites for how many years? In our example, 2 years. So in the 5,000 customer evlo varsha varuvanga. If Annapurna does nothing, still this 5,000 customers will come. But for how many years? 2 years. Apona, these 5,000 customers are coming to Annapurna not because of Annapurna's hard work. It is because of the previous reputation created by Tasty Bites. Therefore, whatever profit is coming from these 5,000 customers, this profit belongs to whom? Tasty Bites. It belongs to Tasty Bites. But in reality, this profit will go to whom? In reality, in 26, 27, in 27, 28, who is sitting on the cash counter and counting money? Annapurna. So who will enjoy the profit? In whose pocket profit is coming? Annapurna. Now, Tasty Bite is telling that future profit, what you're going to earn from these 5,000 customers, this you give me today itself. So what are we asking? Today, here we are asking 22nd May 2026, we are telling that Onak in the business way no aptina. If you want this business means you give me future profit. Because I'm sacrificing my future profit. My profit. Had I been running this business, I would have got the profit. No. That profit I'm going to sacrifice. So what do I need? I need compensation for sacrification of my profit. Ennoda business உனக்கு கொடுக்கிற அப்படினா OC ல கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். If I give my business to you, I will not give chumma just like that. I want something in return. What do I want something in return? I want my future profit. This future profit is technically named as goodwill. So if I give my business to you, what do I want in return? Goodwill. What is goodwill? Paisa. Goodwill is money. So when you say goodwill is just brand, reputation, can I record the entry? When I do accounting entry, what did we learn in accounting process? Accounting is a systematic process of identifying business financial transaction, measuring in terms of money, recording through journal. To record journal entry in debit and credit, what I should put there? Money, amount. Now, what did you say? Goodwill is intangible assets, sir. Good reputation, sir. Brand image, sir. Pass entry now. Pass entry. So what is goodwill? In accounting terms, what is goodwill? Future profit. The future profit that I'm going to sacrifice, I want that now. Only then I'll transfer my business to you. One business but in return, what do I want? I want future profit. That future profit is called as goodwill. So goodwill is nothing but present value, today's value of future profit, sacrificed by the partners. Got it? Not got it? So to calculate this goodwill, but once again, to calculate this goodwill, you have multiple formulas. In that, today we're going to discuss first formula, which is called as simple average profit method. Okay, wow. My question to all of you, to calculate future profit, expert said, which is the best method? Take past profit. Past the profit, that is the best profit to calculate the future profit. Yes or no? Okay. So one expert said that we will go with simple average profit method. Which average profit method? Simple average profit method. So now we have to take last how many years of profit? My question is, I'm going to calculate future profit now. To calculate future profit, I'm going to use past profit. Here, how many years of profit will you take in the past? 5 years? Okay. Imagine Tasty Bite was running business for 50 years. Up 50 years profit. Tell me. Imagine here Tasty Bites is running for 50 years. Will you take all the 50 years profit? No. So now Annapurna and Tasty Bites has to decide together. Annapurna and Tasty Bites together has to decide that how many years of profit, how many past years of profit we will take as a base. Mutually, it has to be agreed. By whom? Buyer and the seller. Seller is Tasty Bites. Who's buyer? Annapurna. Both of them across the table, they will sit and do the deal. To calculate future profit, I'll take past profit. But how many years of past profit should we take? Should we take last 1 year profit, last 2 years profit, last 3 years profit, last 4 years profit, or last 5 years profit? We have to decide. Sir, in exam, will Annapurna, Tasty Bite sit in front of us? They will do the dealing. Then they will give me the data. No. For you, all this data will come in the question itself. The question will tell you last how many years ka profit you have to do average. Question will tell you do the average of 5 years profit. Do the average of latest 3 years profit. They will tell you, just have to follow. Got it? Not got it? Here I'm telling you. We are going to take 5 years profit as a base. Got it? Not got it? 5 years profit. We are going to do simple average. Simple average. What average? Simple average. Now the formula for goodwill under simple average profit method. The formula for goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So my question to all of you, what is the meaning of number of years of purchase? All those people, those who have completed this topic in school, board exam over, I want to understand what are we going to buy? Tomato, onion, garlic, bread, butter. What are we buying? Business we are buying. Are we buying business? Number of years of purchase means here I'm talking about, in this context, are we talking about number of years of purchase of business? Very good. We are going to buy future profits. Simple. If Annapurna wants Tasty Bite business means it has to pay future profit. If I want to buy this phone means I have to pay money. If I have to buy this phone means I have to pay money. If I have to buy this business means I have to pay money. What money? Goodwill. What is goodwill? Future profit. So what are we trying to buy? Future profit. Purida. So Annapurna is trying to buy from you your profits. Purida. Treat profit like a item. Treat profit like an item. So now treat this as profit. This is profit. Which profit? Future profit. If Annapurna wants this future profit ka right apdina, it has to pay money in form of goodwill. Then only this future profit will come to me. What is future profit? future right, future ownership. இந்த ownership வந்தாதான் அன்னபூர்ணா இந்த profit எடுக்க முடியும். Third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. If Annapurna wants profit, means the business ka right should come to whom? Annapurna. To buy the business right, I have to pay money in form of goodwill. So this money, what I'm paying is what? Money for buying the future profits. So what are we trying to purchase? We are trying to purchase the profits of the business. We are trying to buy the profit of the business. We're not trying to buy business itself. Business only we are buying. But in business, this money, what you're paying goodwill, no. This is towards specifically buying what? Business buy பண்றதா goodwill வருது. But the goodwill எதுக்காக? To buy business, I'm paying two product. To buy business, I'm paying two money. One is 40 lakh capital. Second is 2 lakh profit, let's suppose. Got it, not got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the entire selling price of the business. But this 2 lakh profit I'm paying, no. For what I'm paying this 2 lakh rupees? This 42 lakh what I'm paying is for buying the entire business. To buy the business, how much money should I pay? 42 lakh. In that 40 lakh is capital and 2 lakh is future profit. But this future profit you're paying, no. Why are you paying? This 2 lakh you're paying, no. Why are you paying? To buy the future profit. This 2 lakh specifically I'm paying for what? To buy the future profit. What is this 2 lakh? Goodwill. What is this 2 lakh? Goodwill. So in goodwill, purchase means what are we purchasing? Business. Business purchase பண்றதுக்கு நீ 2 ரூபாய் கொடுக்குற. ஒன்னு capital, இன்னொன்னு வந்து profit. So in goodwill, why the purchase is coming? What are we trying to purchase? Future profit. Got it, not got it? In the business, what are we trying to buy? Future profit. On the whole, for business, what are we supposed to pay? Capital and goodwill for the entire business. But for goodwill, why are you paying goodwill? To buy future profits. Got it, not got it? So we are going to buy future profit. How many years of future profit are going to buy? In our example, 2 years future profit. How many years of future profit are we going to buy here? 26, 27, 27, 28. 2 years of future profit I'm going to buy. So in our example, what is number of years of purchase? Annapurna has to buy 2 years of future profit from Tasty Bites. Got it, not got it? So here, what does this average profit means? This average profit means future maintainable profit. Future profit now. And it is called as future maintainable profit. Means what? We believe that whatever future profit we're going to calculate, no, it will maintain in the future. Hence, it is called as future maintainable profit. In next class, I'll tell you the true meaning of future maintainable profit. Ippodike, forget M. FP stands for what? Future profit. So what is this average profit? Nothing but future profit. So whatever is the future profit into 2 times. Into 2 times. Got it, not got it? Now, how do I calculate this future profit? How do I calculate this future profit? Using past profit. Using past profit. So please tell me, people, how do I calculate the average profit, which is past profit, which will now be equal to future profit? What is the formula? The formula says that total profit of 5 years divided by number of years. In the numerator, you are taking profits for how many years? 5 years. Then divide by that many number of years. Divide by that many number of years. Any problem? No problem. Let's come back to our example. In this example, can you make a note of this profit? 50,000, 125, 175, 2 lakh, 250. Memory. Put acha. All the profit, let's add. Tell me one by one profit. 50,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 1,75,000 plus 2 lakh plus 2,50,000 whole divided by 5. In the numerator, how many years profit? 5 years profit. Then divide by 5. In case in numerator, if you take 4 years profit, divide by 4. In numerator, you take 3 years profit, divide by 3. In numerator, you take 2 years profit, divide by 2. 1 year profit, divide by 1. Any problem? No problem. How much is total profit? 8 lakh is the total profit of all the 5 years put together. Divide by 5. How much it is? 1,60,000. This is called as average profit. This is called as average profit. What is the meaning of this average profit? Either meaning and this is also got meaning. Everything there is a meaning. What is meant by 1,60,000? Future profit na, I agree. Point taken. Okay, got it. What you said is correct. I'll give one perspective. All of you have recently got your board results, right? Correct? Board results. All of you got it? Yes. Imagine accounts you got 100. What is wrong in imagining? Oh, sorry. Your seniors have got it. Sorry. You are yet to write. No. You are going to write now only. No. Imagine. You are going to get 100 in accounts. Sir, why imagine? We will get 100, sir. Tell no. We'll get 100. Tell no. Applied max for CBC people. Business max for state board people. Applied max for CBC people. Business max for state board people. How much you want? That much only I'll give. My mark sentiment should be always. How much accounts? 100. Max how much? 1 mark less. Harsha ma'am is going to hit me now. சரி வேணாம் எதுக்கு 100 வச்சுக்கலாம் பாவம் வர்ஷா மேம் நெக்ஸ்ட் economics state board also is there economics yes 98 2 marks less I don't like economics now English 98 next business studies 98 yes or no total how much is total hey -2 -2 -2 500 -2 is how much 494 494 total score percentage how much how do you get the percentage 494 by 5 into 100 how much it is 98.80 dream for a lot of people but this can be turned into reality only if you work hard and smart both are important 98.80 is your percentage what does it mean it means on an average in every subject I got 98.80 purida what does the average means here average means that on an average in every subject I got 98.80 does it really mean that you got 98.80 accounts no you got 100 but why do we say average for our convenience if your relatives ask what is your marks apdina will you say accounts 100 max 100 eco 98 english 98 economics 98 will you say if one person is asking apdina okay motta family kekume neighbor will ask friends will ask teachers will ask how many times will you say the entire mark so for our convenience what did we say don't see the individual marks on the whole you tell how much it is 98.80% means what on an average in every subject I got 98.80 purinjida but in reality the marks are different got it not got it same way this average this average profit what you have earned means what we have earned this 1,60,000 on an average every year in the past average profit every year on an average what is the profit that you have earned 1,60,000 1,60,000 1,60,000 1,60,000 1,60,000 purida so it is convenient for us to say that my business on an average has earned 160 profit in the last 5 years ana this is your actual profit is something else but for our convenience what are we telling on an average we have earned so much money in the last year and we believe that this much money will earn in the future also so what is my future profit going to be same 1,60,000 rupees what is this future profit this future profit how did we calculate based on the past profit any difficulty so now how many years of future profit do we want we are Tasty Bites how many years of future profit we want 2 years of future profit so 160 plus 160 means how much money we want 3,20,000 rupees so which means if Annapurna is going to give 320 to us with capital we will give our business to them purida appada will give the business to them got it not got it so if from Annapurna if we're going to receive goodwill and capital means then only we'll give our business to Annapurna got it not got it So come back here. Number of years of purchase is 2. You have two options. Either this 160 you can add 2 times. Mathematics says what? Just put 160 one time and multiply by 2. You'll get the same amount, 3,20,000. Got it, not got it? Imagine the number of years of purchase is 10 apnina. Will you sit and do 1,60,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 1,60,000? No. What will you do? 1,60,000 multiplied by 10. Got it, not got it? Same way we are going to apply here. How do I get the goodwill here? Average profit into number of years of purchase. So what is average profit? 1,60,000. How many years of future profit are we going to buy? I'm talking from Annapurna's point of view. 2 years. So Annapurna has to pay how much money in total towards goodwill? 320. What is this average profit? What is the average profit? Future profit. This future profit is derived using what profit? Past profit. Got it, not got it? So this goodwill will come into picture when? Whenever we speak about sacrification of future profit, goodwill will come into picture. Got it, not got it? When will the birth of the goodwill happen? Whenever in business we speak about partners sacrificing the future profit, all that time goodwill will come into picture. Got it, not got it? Any difficulty so far? Online people, any difficulty so far? இதுல கான்செப்ட் புரிஞ்சுதா? How we did business for 5 years, how we developed the business for 5 years, how much pain, efforts, hard work we have put. Now the business is giving good profit, but somebody wants to come and take over our business. We are also willing to sell the business. Ana, we will sell business. Condition that one, whatever capital I invested that I want, plus because of the hard work what I did, because of the hard work what we did in the past, that will give me future profit. That future profit also we want. But for that, you can't ask for all the future profit. You should be reasonable. 2 years profit, 3 years profit, 4 years profit. You can argue with them. Purida. But you can't ask unlimited future profit. You can ask only limited future profit. And Annapurna also knows that this profit, what is going to come to Annapurna in future, is actually the hard work of Tasty Bites. So Annapurna also says, Ama, correct da. இது நீங்க சம்பாரிச்ச பணம், உங்க கஸ்டமர். So this profit belongs to you. This is your hard-earned customer. So from your hard-earned customer, if I'm getting money up, that is your money, not my money. So I'm also happy to give you this money. Now the question that comes to your mind is, that should come to your mind is, if Annapurna is going to give first 2 years of profit to Tasty Bites, then what is the advantage for Annapurna here? The advantage is that Annapurna need not have to sit and search for the location. No need to search for new products. No need to focus on service because existing team is already trained. From day one, they'll give the same service. So the management headache of Annapurna is reduced. Got it, not got it? And this new customer, very easily they'll build. When a brand is already established, customer walk-in will not naturally happen. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Not just that. From 3rd year onwards, the old customer of Tasty Bites will become the customer of Annapurna. Either the profit, who will keep now? Annapurna will keep. Which means in the 3rd year of business, Annapurna's 3rd year of business itself, Annapurna is having how many customers? 5,000 customers. But when we started Tasty Bite, we got 5,000 customers in which year? 5th year. So Annapurna, by buying Tasty Bites, Byju's by buying Akash, they will make the profit very fast. Their hard work is comparatively less. Hence, people prefer to buy the business rather than setting up the business. So people who have lot of money, lot of idle money, they don't know what to do. They will not sit and buy iPhone and all. They directly buy business. Apple company will buy. I'm not telling. Ambani is telling. You people buy Apple iPhone. Ambani buys Apple company. WhatsApp, who purchased? Who purchased? Mark Zuckerberg. Correct? No. Instagram. Was it Meta's Instagram? It became now Meta's Instagram. That is Mark Zuckerberg. Somebody created Instagram. He sold that company to Meta. Like that, you go back and search in history. There are so many companies, good established company. They eventually had to sold the business to the other companies. Big, rich companies. Because rich companies will not sit and create the business. They'll buy the already created business. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Yes or no? Yes. How many of you felt that today's class you learned a lot of new information which you never knew? Be honest, be honest. Most of you. So all of others, you knew all this concept? Idellame. No, but overall you had no. Okay, very good. But most of you said that this is something new. Okay. Now, the next thing what I want to know, or I want to ask all of you is that to calculate goodwill, we have 5 formulas. Am I right? This is one of the favorite question which I asked a lot of people, especially people who come to me for CA Foundation. Those who say, I don't want basic classes. And those people who come to me in intermediate, who was not done foundation with me, I ask them also this question. Same question I'm going to ask all of you also. When I can calculate goodwill using simple average profit method, when I can calculate goodwill using simple average profit method, why the hell do we have weighted average profit method? When we get an answer from goodwill answer from weighted average profit method, why super profit method, why annuity method, why capitalization method? My simple question to all of you. I'm a partnership firm. All of you are chartered accountant. All of you are chartered accountant. I'm a business. In my business, I want to calculate goodwill. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you with my all past profits. Which method you will use it for me? Enna method use pannீங்க? So all those who have done this topic in your school, those who are done with this chapter in school, I want to know from all of you, which method you will use, for me to calculate my goodwill. Tell me. Simple, weighted, super profit, annuity method, capitalization method. Sir, today we can't tell, sir. You complete all the formulas, sir. By the end of the chapter, we'll say, okay, no problem. So this question is pending to be answered from your side. At the end of the chapter, I'll ask the same question. At the end of the chapter, I'll ask same question. That time you have to tell me, got it, not got it. Either answer na kudupen, nadule kuduthirven nanu. Let me see how much you are attentive to capture that. I will give the answer. But not everybody will capture it. Only people who are attentive and who are hungry for learning the concept, they will grab it. Let me see how many of you have that intelligence to grab it. I will answer in between itself. Maybe today, maybe next class, maybe next to next class. Somewhere I'll give the answer for this. I'm telling you, majority of the people will not capture it. It's my challenge. Very good. She says that as per it is mentioned in the partnership deed. I don't have any partnership deed mentioned. Now tell me. And nobody will mention this in partnership deed. Nobody will mention. Tell me. Okay, let's suppose you mention in partnership deed, simple average profit method. Annapurna is not agreeing now. You tell me. She's saying that in partnership deed, I'll mention the method. Who mentioned that method? Who agreed that method? Partners of Tasty Bites. Annapurna should agree to that. No, because I'm a goodwill cast. Now tell me. So this question is pending to be answered from your end. Okay, wow. Okay. Now can we continue? Let's come back to our topic. Now the question that is given to your CBSE book now is a little complicated. So I'm going to take 2 questions from State Board book. This is State Board book. From there I'll take 2 questions, easy questions. Once you get a base, then we'll go for complicated questions from your CBSE book. Are we all ready for it? Are we all ready for it? Tell me no. Tell me, Kana, what is your doubt? Okay, now the question what is asking is, sir, why are we calculating goodwill only using past profits? Let me tell you one thing very clearly. In real life, when you calculate goodwill, you just do not consider only past profit. Apart from past profit, there are so many other parameters they will evaluate, which is non-monetary parameters. For example, now location, location. Now here you have calculated goodwill. What is the goodwill value? 3,20,000 you have calculated. Now I have Tasty Bite is having 3 locations. How many locations? 3 locations. All on the main road. Upon the main road, the premium will you put or not put? Yes. So in real life, when you calculate the goodwill based on the profit, no, you just don't consider the profit element. Apart from the profit element, there are other qualitative elements which has to be considered while evaluating goodwill. Got it? Not got it? Anna, these things are not discussed in your syllabus, whether it is 12 CBSE or CA Foundation or CA Intermediate. Got it? Not got it? It is not discussed here. It is not discussed here. There's so many qualitative factors in real life it is considered. But in the entire CA course, in the entire 12 CBSE course, these factors are not considered. However, these factors one has to consider in your real life. There's so many other elements apart from profit one has to consider apart from the past profit. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Okay, but we are not discussing that now. Am I clear? So your question, apart from profit, do we need to consider anything else or not? 100% in real life we have to consider. But now, for ease of doing the questions, those are not there in your syllabus. Got it? Now, illustration 1. The following are the profits of the firm in the last 5 years. How many years of profit is given? Last 5 years profit. In 2014, the profit is 4,000 rupees. In 15, 3,000 rupees. In 16, 5,000 rupees. In 17, 4,500 rupees. In 2018, 3,500 rupees. Any problem? Any problem? No. Calculate the value of the goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit of 5 years. What is the language saying? Calculate the value of goodwill. When will goodwill come into picture? When will goodwill come into picture? Whenever we speak about sacrification of profit, which means in this transaction, Tasty Bite is going to sell the business to Annapurna. Akash is going to sell the business to Byju's. Got it? Not got it? Only whenever we talk about somebody sacrificing the profit, goodwill will come into picture. To calculate goodwill, what do we need? Goodwill is nothing but future profit. To calculate future profit, what do we need? Past profit. That's why the past profit is given. Got it? Not got it? So goodwill is nothing but future profit. But how many years of future profit are we buying? In this question, how many years of future profit are we going to buy? Somebody said 5. Who said 5? It is 3 years of purchase of average profit of 5 years. So using the average profit of 5 years, you're going to calculate the future profit. So how many future years of profit are you going to buy? 3 future years of profit you're going to buy. Got it? Not got it? Okay. So my question to all of you, what is the formula for goodwill under simple average profit method? Average profit into number of years of purchase. How much is number of years of purchase? 3. Sir, will this always be given in question? The answer is 100% yes. This is not a calculation that I will think and calculate. This is a data. It's a fact. It has to be given in question. So always this will be given in question. But sometimes they will not give you this data in a simple English language. They'll give in complicated English language. That is the maximum difficulty they can create for you. Kudukama irukka matanga, kudupanga, and kudukara vidha irukku illaya, that will be complicated. It's not that they will not give you, they'll give you, but sometimes they may complicate the way this data is presented. Got it? Not got it? Okay. What is average profit? What is average profit? So we're trying to calculate the future profit. To calculate the future profit, what is the base? Past profit is the base. So how do I calculate my average past profit? So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Don't say number of years of purchase. It is number of years. Means what? In the numerator, how many years of profit you're taking? In denominator, that means number of years you have to take it. Got it? Not got it? So here total profit is how much? 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000. 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,500 plus 3,500 plus 4,500 plus 3,500 divide by 4, sir. Divide by 4, sir. 5. Total how much? 20,000. Divide by how much? 5. How much? 4,000. What does it mean? It means that on average, every year, how much did I earn? Every year, 4,000 rupees I have earned. This is average. This average is for my convenience. But in reality, the actual profit earned is this. But for convenience, we say that போன 5 வருஷம் ஆவரேஜா நான் earn பண்ணது 4,000 ரூபான்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம். Why? Because we believe that same profit will earn in future also. Got it? Not got it? So what is my future profit per year? What is my future profit per year? 4,000 rupees. Like that, Annapurna has to pay the future profit for how many years? So Annapurna has to buy 3 years of future profit. He has to buy 3 years ka future profit. So in total, how much he has to pay? 12,000 he has to pay. This is called as goodwill. This is called as goodwill. My question to all of you, if Annapurna is paying just 12,000 rupees to you, will you sell the business? Will you sell the business? No. When I sell this product, I don't just want profit alone. With profit, I need my cost also, my investment also. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. This selling price in our goodwill chapter is called as PC. What is it called as? PC. What is PC? Purchase consideration. What is it called as? Purchase consideration. Sir, all this is there in my 12th and foundation syllabus. For both of you, this term is there. For both of you, this terminology is there. This is called as purchase consideration. To buy this mobile phone, to purchase this mobile phone, what is the consideration I have to pay? What is consideration meaning? In exchange, what I should give? To buy this remote, to purchase this remote, what is the consideration I have to pay? What is the purchase consideration? Purida. Appo buyer purchase consideration enadhu? Selling prices for us. Selling prices for us. For buyer it is purchase price. For buyer it is what? Purchase price. For seller, selling price is selling price. For buyer, selling price is purchase price. Purchase price ka another name is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. This is from whose point of view? Annapurna's point of view. In our example, rightly said buyer. Got it, not got it. Now, buyer has to pay two money. One, he has to pay cost of the business. Cost of the business is called as capital employed. CE stands for capital employed. Got it, not got it. There is a formula to calculate capital employed, which I'll discuss in the next class. Next class, we'll discuss weighted average profit method. After that, super profit method. In the super profit method, I'll give you the formula to calculate capital employed. Capital employed. Okay, not okay. So cost price is called as capital employed. And this profit is called as goodwill. Got it, not got it. So if I ask you what is the formula for purchase consideration, what will you say? Capital employed plus goodwill. Got it, not got it. Now, you know what I will do? I'll give you purchase consideration. I'll give you capital employed. I'll ask you to find out goodwill as a balancing figure. So what is the formula for goodwill here? No. Purchase consideration minus capital employed. In the capital employed is plus capital employed. When you take to other side, it becomes minus capital employed. So goodwill is equal to purchase consideration minus capital employed. Got it, not got it. By chance, if you do capital employed minus purchase consideration, no, zero you will get. How much you will get? Big zero you will get. Got it, not got it. Nobody saying anything. I'm going. Bye. Got it. Got it. Okay. Going cancel. Now, level by level, I'm going to increase your challenge. Illustration 2. You know what is the challenge? In one of the year, we have loss. Very difficult this question is. Do it. You do it. Very difficult. I can't do it. You do it. Do it fast. Let me see how many of you can do it. It says that the profit and loss of a firm for the last 4 years. So cheating, sir. In your example, in the previous example, every year they get 5 years ka profit. I want 5 years profit. Can you sit and fight in the exam hall? அவன் 4 வருஷம் கொடுத்தானே எடுத்துக்கணும். காப்பு சுப்புன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். Okay, not okay. 4 years profit. First year profit. Second year profit. Third year 6,000 loss. Fourth year 2018 14,000 profit. Formulas will carry mark. What is the formula for goodwill here? Average profit into number of years of purchase. What is average profit? 15,000. We have to calculate number of years of purchase is how much? 4. You are required to calculate the amount of goodwill on the basis of 5 years of purchase. What are we purchasing? Average profit. How do you calculate average profit? Using past profit, which is future profit. So we are going to buy 5 years ka future profit. This is 5. Always given in question. Now, average profit ka formula. Total profit divided by number of years. Total profit is how much? 15,000 plus 17,000 plus 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 minus 6,000 plus 14,000. Any big difficulty? Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 4. How much? 40,000 by 4. How much? 10,000 is my average profit of the past year, which I'll earn in the future also. So how much is my future profit? 10,000 rupees is future profit per year. Like that, Tasty Bite wants how many future years ka profit? 5 years, which means that 5,000 old customers are there. No, will come to Annapurna for next 5 years. And the 5,000 customers which is going to come for 5 years, that profit we want. Annapurna also said okay. So Annapurna is willing to pay how much goodwill? 50,000 goodwill. Any problem? Imagine in this question I say capital employed is 1 lakh rupees. Can you please tell me what is purchase consideration? Purchase consideration another. This is goodwill. This is capital employed. I'm asking what is PC? PC is capital employed plus goodwill. Capital employed is 1 lakh rupees and goodwill is 50,000. Total is 1 lakh 50,000. Any difficulty in this? Any difficulty in this? Online people respond no. Like this, no. Respond. Very good. Path Monday can continue under the கொஞ்சம் slower. Sir. Now we'll do some CBSE books, sir. Okay. You know the first question what they've given? You want to know? This is adjustment. Illustration 3. 1 is a different concept. In illustration 2, first question of average profit method, they have given it the adjustment. Basics என்னன்னு தெரியல, accounts என்னன்னு தெரியல, அதுக்குள்ள adjustment கொடுத்துறாங்க. Imagine 11th standard, I'm not teaching you what is golden rule, modern rule, debit, credit, nothing I'm teaching. What am I doing? Directly taking to 12th standard. Directly into 12th standard. What will happen? What will happen? Govinda, oh Govinda. Second question of Goodwill chapter and first question of average profit method is having adjustment. Head and tail also will not understand. Hence I'm going to third question. Third question is சும்மாவா? இந்த லோலை பாருங்க. Tara, Tara, Zara. They will not give names just like that. They'll give always rhyming name. Tara, Tara, Zara are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Any problem? They admit Dara. So new partner also coming, rhyming name only. Sara, Tara, Zara, Dara. They admit Dara into partnership from 1st April 26 for 1/4 share in the profit. 1/4 share in the profit. Any problem here? Any problem here? 1/4 means what? If I'm ordering, let's say, 4 slices of pizza, or let me put in different way. If I'm ordering, let's say, 12 pizza. All of you know pizza, round. Then they'll cut. Cheese burst will come from that. Cheese will be dipping. All of you know, no? Very good. 12 slices of pizzas we are ordering. Okay, wow. Imagine Dara is not a partner then. Who are the pizza eating partner? Tara, Zara. If at all pizza is coming, in what ratio they'll split up? 3:2:1. 3:2:1. Can you please tell me each party will get how much slices? Sara, Tara, Zara. 6, 4, 2. Am I loud and clear? Now, same 12 slices. Same 12 slices we are ordering. But now we have, apart from old partner, we have new partner. Can I say all these are old partners? All these are old partners. Old partners, when they ordered pizza, full 12 slices went for old partners. Yes or no? Now when the new partner is coming, new partner is taking 1/4 of the 12th. If new partner is taking 1/4 appadina, remaining is how much? 3/4 for the old partners. Okay, not okay? Okay, not okay? All if you understand 1/4 and 3/4? All if you understand, no? You'll have to teach maths also now. எனக்கு மேக்ஸ் டீச் பண்ண சொன்னா பக்கு பக்குன்னு இருக்கு, அதுக்கு தான் சொல்றேன். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ மேக்ஸ் நோ. மை ஹார்ட் beat goes next level. All of you know max, no? Okay, top run. Now, 1/4, if the pizza ka quantity is going 1/4 to new partner Dara apnina, how much is remaining part? 3/4. Can I say 3/4 is going to old partner? Old partners means yaar, Sara, Tara, Zara. Now tell me, 12 slices into 3/4 is how much? 9 slices. Means before the new partner came in, old partners were having how many pizza slices? 12. Now how much? 9. Are they gaining or sacrificing? Sacrificing. How many slices? 3 slices. This has gone to whom? New partner. Whenever we talk about sacrificing of pizza or money or profit, who should come into picture? Goodwill should come. What did you say? Goodwill should come into picture. What should come into picture? Goodwill should come into picture. Now are you able to understand why this question is coming under goodwill topic? Got it? Not got it? Tell no. For this purpose. For what purpose? For sacrification of profit. When a new partner comes in, profit will be sacrificed. Imagine this is not 12 slices. Imagine this is 12 lakh rupees. So before new partner came in, this 12 lakh rupees belonged to whom? Old partner. After new partner came in, old partner got how much? In total, Sara, Tara, Zara, in total, how much they got? Only 9 lakh. How much have they sacrificed? 3 lakh. So, for this purpose of sacrification of profit, goodwill is to be valued at twice the average annual profit of previous 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher. Goyala. கொடுத்த மூணாவது கொஸ்டின்லேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ட்விஸ்ட் வச்சிருக்காங்க. How is it? ஈஸி தான் சார், பார்க்குற ஈஸி தான். ஓகே, easy only. Nothing is tough. In accounts, in 12th or CA Foundation or CA Inter, everything is easy. I never said it's tough. Imagine a person who's learning. Imagine this is the first question. I gave you my own question. In the board, I gave you one question. 2 questions I did from the state board book. So, concept is understood. Now, mind la poidu ulla. What is number of years of purchase? What is average profit? How do you calculate? Now it is easy for you. I'm telling, had I not done the 3 previous questions, directly if I do this, Purima. Now that you have done 3 questions, you know the concept, this is easy. Had I taken this and done in the first instance, this would have been challenging. Got it? Not. This is the difference. You should realize. Clap for me, no? Clap. Now, my question to all of you. What is number of years of purchase? What is number of years of purchase? Think and respond. Nothing. Okay, one answer, 2 years. Another answer, nothing. Third answer. Nothing, I can't find anywhere. So I'm writing here, nothing. Now tell me, how many years of purchase? Number of years of purchase, how much? 2. Others. 1 nothing, 1 2 years. One more, somebody said something online. 4, okay. A, 2, B, nothing, C, 4 years. Give you one more option. Veladna. Ningalum, Melalam, or Kodi. Come on. Let's play. Kaun banega crorepati. Come on. Dangi fella. Now, I said, in most of the question, they'll give you number of years of purchase easily. But in some places, they'll try to give the data in the complicated language. Now, this is the complicated language. Goodwill is to be valued, which is twice, 2 times is called as twice. Twice the average annual profit. Which profit? Which is coming from the previous years. Using previous year's profit, what are we trying to calculate? Future profit. So that profit cut twice will be goodwill. So number of years of purchases, 2. Number of years of purchases, 2. Got it? Not got it? Twice the profit. Which profit? Average profit of last 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher, no? And the average of last profit is there, no? That becomes the future profit. And the profit of the twice is my goodwill. Goodwill is valued means what? Goodwill is equal to twice means what? 2 times of average profit. So what is the formula for goodwill? Average profit into number of years of purchase. 2 times multiplication means what? Times only, no? 2 times of average profit is equal to goodwill. Is the value of the goodwill. Any difficulty here? But here there's a twist. Here they're telling you that you have to calculate first average of 3 years profit, then you have to calculate average of 4 years profit, then compare and see whichever average profit is the highest, that should be your average profit for goodwill purpose. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Now do it with me, all of you. வர நான் பண்றேன், நான் சொல்றது. So he's telling that, why are you calculating, sir? 3 years profit given, 4 years profit given, which is the big data? 4 year. Up 4 year profit, if I take that answer, I'll get no. Give me 5 minutes, bro. Just 5 minutes. I'll prove you how are you wrong. 5 minutes, I'll prove. 1 second. Let me do this question to all of you. Let me do this question. Now, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase is 2. Average profit we have to find out. Got it? Not got it? Working note number 1. Working note number 1. Leave some 2 lines. Divide working note number 1 in 2 pages. Divide the page into half. Working note number 1. Calculation of average profit. Option 1. Option 2. In option 1, what are we going to do? We are going to take previous 3 years profit as a base for average purpose. Now my question to all of you. Out of 4 years, which 3 years should I take? Should I take this 3 year or should I take this 3 year? Should I take this 3 year or should I take this 3 year? They are telling previous 3 year. Purida. 31st March 26 is nothing but 25, 26. This is 24, 25. This is 23, 24. This is 22, 23. Am I right? Now, when Dara is coming into partnership, 1 April 26. This is coming to which financial year? 26, 27. 26, 27. Not the previous 3 years. Previous 3 years means which year will come? These 3 will come. Got it? Not got it? Up these 3 years I have to take. Latest 3 previous years. Got it? Not got it? Taking 3 years profit as base. And here in option 2 we'll taking 4 years profit as base. Any problem? So how do I calculate my average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Total profit divided by number of years. So total profit is how much in case of option 1? 48,000 plus 30,300 plus 31,200. Can you tell me? 48,000 plus 30,300 and 31,200. The whole divide by 3. And here it is 48,000 plus 30,300 plus 31,200 plus 42,200. 42,200 divided by 4. How much is the total, please, for option 1? Total 1,09,000. Total how much? Don't divide, just tell me the total. 1 lakh divide by 3. And here the total is 1,51,700 by 4. Are you all getting the same thing? Okay. Now tell me, people, what is the division? 36, 500. Then 37, 925. They are telling that when you do this average under both the methods, no, out of this, whichever is turning out to be the highest average profit, adavadhu, whatever average you're doing for the previous 3 years or previous 4 years, in that whichever is the higher, that will become the average profit. So average profit should be higher of either 3 or 4 years profit. So out of this, which is higher? Higher will be average profit. And this is 37 925. So my dear friend said that, so why are you sitting and calculating, wasting time in exam? Because it is very natural that when we add one more years of profit, it is very obvious that this will be high. This will be high. Why to waste the time in exam? So my question to all of you, listen. Sure. I'm going to do one twist. This 40 to 200 is there, no? If I say this is not profit, this is loss. Now, no, don't tell me. Now calculate and tell me what is the total of this. 48,000 plus 3,300 plus 31,200 and minus 42,200. Now tell me what is the total. 60,000. Is it division or total? 67? 67, 300. அட போங்கடா டே, ஒவ்வொருத்தர் ஒன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, கடுப்பாவது எனக்கு. 67 300 divide by 4. How much it is? How much? 16,800. Oh my god. How much? 825. Okay, 825. Okay. 16,825. So all those who thought for a second that if I take 4 years profit, that profit should be higher compared to 3 years profit, that myth got busted here. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Yes. Dange fellow. First of all, how do you get 151,700? This 151,700 is adding 40 to 200. Now minus portalla. Appo 151,700 varave varadilla. Don't do. Take your calculator and do it. No. Do it. There. This is CA class for you. Take it now. CA foundation people, for you, this is CA class. This is not 12th class for you. I'm repeating one more time. To all the CA foundation students, this is not 12th class for you. For you, this is foundation. 12th people, for you, this is 12th class. எடுக்கலப்பா, மைனஸ் பண்ணோம். Calculator. He's asking me. Ask calculator no. 48,000 plus 30,300 plus 31,200 minus 42,200. How much it is? 67,300. As if என்னமா இது நான் வந்து என் வீட்ல இருந்து ப்ராஃபிட் எடுத்து வர மாதிரி. ஏண்டா இது கால்குலேட்டர் கொடுக்குற ப்ராஃபிட். நான் என்ன வீட்ல இருந்தா கூட்டு வந்திருக்கேன் நானு. How much? Now ask calculator. Ask calculator. Ask calculator. Anybody else has got this doubt? பாவை ஃபெலோ நானே வந்து குட்வில் டீச் பண்ண ப்ராப்பரா நான் உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கேன். அதுல போய் கேரக்டர் ஏன்டா நீ ஆன்சர் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நான் என்ன பண்றது? All I'm trying to say here is that do not conclude that if I take 4 years average profit, that will always be higher. Not necessary. So here in such a scenario, only by doing the workings, you'll get to know actually what is the highest profit. Am I loud and clear? Oh. So 37,925 is the answer. 37,925. Come back here. Substitute. 37,925. Multiply and tell me which is the highest. Which is the goodwill value? 75,850 is the total goodwill that Annapurna has to pay to Tasty Bites. Got it? Not got it? Time and again, either in this chapter or all the upcoming chapters, wherever we talk about goodwill, I will refer Annapurna Tasty Bites. Annapurna Tasty Bites. That 5-year data, old customer 5,000, carry forwarded 5,000, and the data numbers appadi achadicha mari mind la irukano. You cannot forget it. Got it? Not got it? Again and again I'll say this point. My question to all of you. Who is paying this goodwill to whom? Who is paying goodwill to whom? Annapurna has to pay this goodwill to Tasty Bites. So from whose bank account money will go out? Annapurna. So in books of Annapurna oda bookல வந்து journal entry என்னவா இருக்கும்? To Annapurna account. My God. In Annapurna's books of accounts, I'll record to Annapurna. Who's by Annapurna? By Annapurna to Annapurna. By and to namle விளையாண்டுக்கலாம் வா. To bank. Money is going out of your bank account. How much you said? 75,850. 75,850. Okay. My question to all of you, what should I debit? What should I debit? 75,850, what should I debit? Goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit. Any problem? Goodwill is what? Income, expense, asset, liability, capital. What is the classification? It is asset. Sir, what is the meaning of asset? What is the meaning of asset? Sir, anything that I own or control, anything that I either own or control. The word control is new for you. Purida? Yes or no? Control வேண்டாமா விட்டுருங்க. Foundation, sorry, 12 people, Amul baby, like control. Sorry, we'll come back to 11th itself. What did I say in 11th? What is asset? Anything that I own in the business is my asset, or anything that I receive in future is asset. What do I own in my business? Generally, what do I own in my business? Land, building, plant, machinery, furniture. Yes or no? Oh. By owning this asset, what are you going to get? I'm going to get future economic benefit. Future economic benefit. What am I going to get? Future economic benefit. What is the meaning of future economic benefit? In short, paisa. By using this land, building, plant, machinery, any asset you say, I'm going to get money out of it. I'm going to generate income out of it. Got it, not got it? So asset வச்சு நீங்க என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? ning பூஜா பண்ண போறீங்களா? No, you're going to use that in your business. What are you going to do? Use that in your business to earn profits. Got it, not got it? Okay. These assets could either be tangible or intangible. Tangible means what? Something which I can touch. Something I can feel. Feel பண்ணமா? Okay. Something which I can feel. Okay, not okay? Land, building, plant, machinery is called as tangible asset because I can touch them. I can feel them. Got it, not got it? Now, goodwill, you said asset. Goodwill is asset. How goodwill is asset? Asset another something which I'm going to use it to get the benefit out of it. I'm going to earn paisa out of the asset using this goodwill. How are you going to earn paisa? Annapurna will take over Tasty Bite. How many old customers will come? 5,000 old customer. In that, first 2 years profit will give to Tasty Bite. But from third year onwards, this 5,000 customers got profit. Who will eat? Annapurna will eat. Got it, not got it? So Annapurna will make you have dosa, but it will eat profit. Got it, not got it? So by paying 75,850, look at the smartness of Annapurna. Annapurna paid 75,850 and got profits of 5,000 customers in future. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, it'll keep on earning money. So this goodwill is that way called as asset. Got it, not got it? But my question is, can you touch the goodwill? Or like you said, can you feel the goodwill? Can you feel the goodwill? Can you touch the goodwill? Not possible. Hence it is called as intangible asset. Intangible asset. Got it, not got it? So all of you said in beginning, no, goodwill is intangible asset. How it became intangible asset, I am explaining now. Clear or not clear? Okay. Accounting for intangible asset is being governed by Accounting Standard 26. Sir, என்ன சார் புது புதுசா சொல்லி பயம் கொடுத்துறீங்க? Accounting standards in 11th it is there. Just introduction. I said in very simple language, what is accounting standard? Rule. How to account அப்படின்னா you have to see the rules. And the rule is given by accounting standards. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Hey, what, yeah? Nobody's responding. As if being a CA, I'm trying to showcase my knowledge. Like that, you give me look. Dang, if it is there in your syllabus, see here, as per AS 26, intangible asset. That's why I'm taking it. Got it, not got it? So accounting for intangible asset is governed by whom? Accounting Standard 26, which says that self-generated goodwill is not recognized in the books of accounts. Then what do you record? Only purchased goodwill. Only purchased goodwill. Enga potrukka? Goodwill is of how many types? 2 types. One is purchased goodwill. Second is self-generated goodwill. Only purchased goodwill is recognized in the books of accounts. Recognized means what? Recorded. When you pass a journal entry, no, Upon passing the journal entry, we say that entry is recorded in the books of accounts. Recorded ka another name is recognized. So purchased goodwill is only recognized in the books of accounts. Self-generated goodwill is not recognized in the books of accounts. Who is saying this? Accounting standard 26 is saying this. Got it, not got it? Now my question to all of you, this goodwill is purchased goodwill or self-generated goodwill? Think and tell me. Is this purchased goodwill or self-generated goodwill? It is purchased goodwill because you are paying money from your pocket to get this goodwill. Sir, in that case, what is self-generated goodwill? What is self-generated goodwill? The goodwill that you think of in your dream is called as self-generated goodwill. For example, Kalpavriksha Academy's goodwill is 1,500 crores. 1,500 crores. What? Nobody's believing me? சிரிக்கிறேன் பாரு கோணல் உட்காந்துட்டு. I can say whatever I want to say. My mouth, no? I can say whatever I want to say. Just because I feel my academy is my baby. My baby's worth is 1,500. Can I record it in my books of accounts? Not allowed. Today I feel 1,500. Tomorrow I'll feel 3,500. I'll keep on recording it. Okay, chalo, let's record. Goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit. How much? 1,500 crore. What will you give credit here? What credit will come here? Nothing. So self-generated goodwill cannot be recorded in the books of accounts. It is not right. A goodwill is valuable only when somebody is willing to pay for it. I'm asking 1,500 crores. You're giving me how much? 25 lakh rupees. What is the worth of the business? 25 lakh rupees. Where is 1,500 crore? Where is 25 lakh rupees? You tell me no. Tell me no. So self-generated goodwill is a dream, imagination. Whatever we imagine, we don't write in accounts. Imagination is not accounts. Accounts is reality. So goodwill should be recorded only when somebody is buying for that goodwill, paying for that goodwill. Got it, not got it? Got it, not got it? So in whose books of accounts, in the balance sheet, goodwill will get reflected? Tasty Bites or Annapurna? Yaroda balance sheet la goodwill varum kadasiya. Yaar kaasu kudukuran? Who is paying money? Annapurna. So in Annapurna's balance sheet, goodwill will come. Whatever is the amount we wrote, no? In Annapurna's balance sheet, goodwill will come. Got it, not got it? If I'm explaining this here means there's some reason behind it. In all the upcoming chapters, next 4 chapters, in the balance sheet, they'll give you goodwill. And we are supposed to do accounting treatment for it. That time I'll ask you, what goodwill is this? Mavana ortha kuda answer panama irundinga aluduren nanu. I'll cry. I'm telling you, once I start crying, nobody can stop me. If you don't believe me, ask Anita ma'am. People are giving shock reaction. Shock for what? I don't cry, you think? I also cry. I cry. Believe me, no. And once I start crying, nobody can stop. And if I cry, people are imagining, oh, sir, aladu eppadi irukonu solittu. Will I look nice? Will I look nice? இப்படி கெத்தா இருக்கேனா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மனுஷனை தயவு செஞ்சு ஆளுக வச்சிடாதீங்க. புரியுதா? So whatever questions I ask, what are you supposed to do? Answer with concept and logic. Am I loud and clear? Keep all this point in memory. So which goodwill is recognized in books of accounts? Purchased goodwill. This goodwill is recorded in whose books of accounts? Buyer or seller? Buyer's books of accounts. Clear or not clear? Okay. So today we are done with the concept of simple average profit. So next, when are we meeting? Sunday. Sunday, there's a small change in the plan. Sunday, 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock is your class. 10 to 12 is your class. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Yeah, 12 to 2, we have planned class for CA foundation people. Small twist. Got it, not got it? So 10 to 12 will be 12 CBC classes and 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock will be CA foundation classes. Am I loud and clear? Okay. Can I wind up? Chalo. So guys, that's all from my side for this session. I will see all of you in the next class, which is on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you.